be super simple. We're going to talk about the column. This video is going to be super simple. We're going to talk about the column, and you can see graphically it's dead simple. It's just stacking things on top of each other. So you're creating a column. We're going to reuse my shape from the last video so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. And yes, we can move these things around. So let's go ahead and kill that. In case you skipped the last video, my shape is just a custom component that consists of a rectangle and a mouse area as a child. The mouse area, of course, fills the rectangle and has a drag target of the rectangle. Essentially, this allows us to drag that around the screen. When we click the mouse area, it takes the parent, or the rectangle, and increments the Z order. Remember, Z order is if you're looking down at a desk and you have a stack of papers, the lower numbers at the bottom, the higher numbers at the top of the stack. So it's just moving things around up and down. All right, let's jump in here. And column, dead simple. They couldn't have made this any more simple. We're going to say my shape. And we're going to set the color. Let's grab this, copy and paste. Blue, and let's make another one green. Save and run, and ta-da, they are stacked. Nice column. Notice it's at 0, 0. So we want to move this whole thing to the center, and we want to space these out a little bit. Looking at the column QML type, you can see there's a couple really neat features. For example, spacing. So you guessed it, this thing is just like any other component, and you can do some dead simple things. And their example is pretty much on par with what I'm showing you, except for we're using a custom component. Column is one of the easier things to really understand, and positioning is just dirt simple. So anchors, we're going to center in, and we're going to center this in the parent. And then let's set the spacing. And let's say we want 2 pixels for the spacing. Ta-da! Now, we took this a step further from the actual official documentation. They just have static rectangles. Ours, we can actually move things around, and we have a custom component that we've designed.